Good morning, my Austin Achieve Polar Bear readers. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you are watching this video right now, it means that you are alive and you're doing your schoolwork just like you would be at school, so keep it up. It also means that you should have already completed your morning hello survey. If you have not done that yet, pause this video, go to your Gmail, and do the survey right now. I'm serious. Pause it and go do the survey right now. If you have already done the survey, well done. Very proud of you. You are counted and ready to go with our lesson today. So, this book today has a really interesting title, The Invention with 1,000 Uses. That's a lot of things that you can use something for. You guys see the logo on the front cover, the bottom right cover down here? It's part of the Remarkable Inventions series. And all of the books in this non-fiction series tell about useful and interesting inventions. Let's start today by looking at the back of this book. I want you to take a second and read the back of the book. An invention named for a duck. It was used in war. It's sticky. And it was named for a duck. What is this invention? Does anybody have any ideas? Good. Yeah, if you saw the cover of the book, you saw that it was tape. There were rolls of different colored tape on the front. All right, let's get into here. Let's go to page 2. Here we go. What's our first section called? Right, what is it? So this section tells us all about what the invention is. So it is something that is long, skinny, and sticky. And as we can see at the top of page 3, it says the answer for what it is duct tape. Say duct. Good, we can hear both the C and the T at the end of duct tape. All right, so duct tape is the invention with 1,000 uses. At least that's what the title says. So the author doesn't necessarily mean that there are exactly 1,000 uses for duct tape. It's just a saying to show us that there's so many ways that you can use duct tape that we almost can't even count. So duct tape was actually invented in 1942. And we can see with the heading on page 4 that this part is going to be about the invention of duct tape. So here we'll see the date 1942, and it was a time of war. And the army kept bullets in boxes. But if the bullets got wet, then they wouldn't work anymore. So they had to come up with a way to seal the boxes so that water wouldn't get in. And someone came up with this tape, this very sticky, long thing that they put around the cracks in the boxes. And the water rolled off the tape just like it rolled off the back of a duck. So originally they called it duck tape. Say duck. Good, that CK at the end makes that hard K sound. So we have duck tape and duct tape. Are they the same thing? So you'll read to find out how people in the army started to use duct tape for other things than just wrapping up their boxes. So then if we look at page 6, you'll find that after the war, people started to use the tape to connect the pipes in their houses. Those pipes are called duct pipes, ducts, with the CT at the end. I know it can get a little confusing. So then they started to call it duct tape. So confusing. So now it is called duct tape. Some people still call it duct tape though, but it has so many uses. So let's look back at the table of contents quickly to think about, or to look at all the things we might learn about duct tape and this invention. Who can tell me 2 things that they know they're going to learn in this book based on the table of contents? Good. It could be used for art. It's used for pipes in the houses, exactly. And maybe it's used just for fun. We're going to learn about some cool things. So, as you read, I want you to think about how some inventions turn out to be important in a lot of ways, and how they can be used for different things than they were invented for in the first place. So, I want you to read about the 1,000 ways that duct tape can be used. Then make sure you answer the questions afterwards. When you're done with the questions, get your 20 minutes of power up in. That's super important. I'm looking forward to reading your answers. I hope you have a fantastic day today. Peace.